My name is Marianne Alksnis. I work as Global Export Manager for Mercodia, a Swedish manufacturer of high-quality immunoassays within metabolic disease. We help researchers around the world with their work within diabetes, obesity and cardiovascular disease. We've lately experienced an increased interest for our products from the MENA region, which is why we are now here. We'd like to find a distributor to help us build our business in the region. This is actually the second time that we exhibit here at Arab Health, and we are really pleased with the support provided by Global Pharma Consulting. The Innovation Pavilion by Sweden is an excellent place to meet people. The network opportunities are truly valuable for us, and I've made a lot of promising contacts for the future. So I look forward to continue building our business here in the MENA region.